wherever you want. And now we're gonna go and cover the rest of the type tools, whatever they work. The second one you can see is area type tool. If you select the area type tool, it won't type unless you have a shape in here. You can see you must click on non-compound or non-masking path to create text inside a path. So for doing so, we need to have a shape. Like if I have square or rectangle and then I click on my text area or area type tool, click in here, won't affect. Still, you need to click on your path. If you click on the path, the text will appear inside your shape. Decrease its size. Let's write something. Make copy of these things. The changes we have made in our paragraphs are still in here. I don't want that. Let's go back to the paragraph. Write 0 in all of these. Now we got rid of all the changes we made in paragraph section. Let's copy it and paste it again. So now the text is inside my rectangle shape or square. Let's do something else. Let's have an ellipse shape. Then I go back to the text area or area type tool, click here, my text will appear inside the circle. And if I decrease its size, copy it, paste it. Now you can see my text is inside the circle, the shape of circle. And let's go to the paragraph. I'll align to center. You can see how it fits in your center. Or you can go to the paragraph and justify to center. Now it is fixed in a perfect circle shape. If I do one thing more, let's create another circle, make its color to white and bring it in here. Now you can see there is a hole in your text which is in a circle. So you can do that, and you can do one thing more. You can take your pen tool, create a shape. Then you go click on your text area or area type tool, click here. You can write your text inside the shape you have created with your pen tool. So this is the area type tool. You can type on line as well if it is open path. Suppose I created a shape like this and pressed skip. The shape is not closed, it's open. And let's change this fill to stroke. Now area type tool or type tool, or maybe type on a path. Now if I click on path, I can write text on a path. If you go and zoom it, you can see how well it has moved with the path. Now one thing we can work with the type on path tool. Let's create a path like this. Change it. Now select your type on path, click here, increase the size. Let's write graphics house. Whenever you write on the path, there are a few things you have access to. First, you can increase or decrease the size of your path, text on the path. Like if I increase it in here and I come here and select this one and decrease it. Now if your line is longer than the line I have written, it will do it like this. It will tell you that the area you have selected is not enough for the text you have written. I can increase it so the text will fit in my line. and I can change the location on the path. Then we have the other line in the middle. It means, do you want to write the text on the line or below the line? So I can do both ways. I can write below the line or inside the line or outside the line. It doesn't have inside outside because it's open path. We have top and bottom maybe. The same thing we can do it with the simple type tool as well. If you have a circle and you have selected only type tool, not area type tool or not type on path tool, only type tool, come here, go your path. Now it's text inside your circle, but if you hold Alt key on your keyboard, then click on it, then the text will be written on the path. So the shortcuts are there. You don't need to go here and then select area type tool or select type on path tool. You can simply write it with your simple path type tool as well. Then we have vertical type tool. If you write it, it will write it vertically. Then we have a vertical area type tool. If you have a shape or circle or whatever it is, then you go to the area type tool or vertical area type tool, click on your path. The text will be written but vertically. Now you can see this one, the type tool or area type tool, vertical area type tool are the same but rotated in 90 degrees. Then we have vertical type tool on the path, so the same thing is gonna be written vertically. The interesting thing is touch type tool. What is touch type tool? Let's write something in here like graphics house, increase its size, hold shift. Then let's come back to your type tool and select touch type tool. With touch type tool, we can relocate, resize each and every letter of the text we have written individually. Click on a letter. There are few things you have. First, circle, you can rotate it, you can resize it, and you can resize it vertically. Let's get rid of rotation. Vertically or horizontally, vertically, both vertical and horizontal, and you can rotate it and move it as well. Let's move it in here, move A, so this is something we can do with the touch type tool. This was all about type tool. I hope you guys have enough knowledge about type tool, what it is, how can you use it. We're gonna take another class in typography. What is typography? How can we work with typography? What is typography? How much typography is necessary in our designs? I hope you guys have learned about type tool. I have tried to cover each and every detail about type tool. I hope I have covered and you guys have full knowledge about type tool. You can do whatever with type tool. You can do your designs. You can share it back with me in the comments. And if you think it benefits your friends, try to share it with your friends. Aware your friends that here you can join the graphic designing course and you can learn Adobe Illustrator professionally.